flat tire. And fuck my paint up.
Hey, what's up with it, YouTube? Here with a quick video. Got a 2007 Dodge Magnum, candy painted with House of Color teal paint. Had a blowout on a 30-inch tire, and as you can see, it didn't damage the paint, but it did leave tar, black tire tar on it. So I did a little research, made a couple phone calls to some painters, and they told me how to remove that tar. Washing it is not gonna come out. So a quick little tip on how to remove tar from candy paint without damaging it, without using the reducer or anything. WD-40. Yep, WD-40. Dawn dishwashing detergent, and also wax. I don't have the wax now because once I spray it, I'm gonna take it straight to the car wash to get it washed. So let's get to it. First, you're gonna do spray the tar with the WD-40. And I did wipe some off earlier. It was way more than this, and it came right out. And I thought about it, here, let's make a video. So once you spray it with that WD-40, you get right to it. I got the micro cloth. I got this from AutoZone. And like I said, there's tar there. Watch this. It comes right out. Right out. And there was way more. And it caused filthy right now, but it does come right out without damaging that paint. And like I said, I wiped it off earlier with no damage to it. So she's gone. And now you take that Dawn dishwashing detergent. You know Dawn takes grease out of your way, as they say. Tad bit. And I'm gonna use another cloth. And you just wipe the WD-40 off, which is grease. The spots where you sprayed the WD-40, you wipe it off. And if you got candy paint, you know it's against the law to wash your paint with Dawn dish detergent. So I'm just gonna wash it real quick just to get that grease up out of there. Every spot that I sprayed it with. And I'm heading straight to the car wash. So just a quick video. If you have any type of tire tar or something up on your vehicle, you having trouble with getting it off, try WD-40. You spray it with the WD-40, wipe it off, scrub it if you have to, and come back and wipe off your car. Every area that you spray with the WD-40, with the Dawn dish detergent. And once you got that dish detergent wiped off, you come back over it with wax. And that's it. Appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe if this video was helpful.